Luna, Lily, wake up! It is morning.
Wow, I feel so good.
Come downstairs for breakfast. Here is breakfast, my dears. All the food is from our farm.
Wow, everything looks so yummy.
Do you want to plant with me?
Yes, I want to help.
Me too. Let's plant lettuce. Watch me first, then you do it. Dig the soil and plant the seed.
Okay, I am ready. Digging now.
Now we give the seed some water. Be gentle.
Look, the water is making the soil shiny.
Dig the soil, plant the seed, then cover it gently. Okay.
I can do it.
Me too.
Planting corn is fun.
This is the corn garden. Watch me first, then you do it.
Wow, the corn is so tall.
Pour water gently so the corn seeds can grow strong.
Look, the water makes little puddles in the soil.
This is the tomato garden. Let's pick some ripe tomatoes carefully.
The tomatoes are so red and shiny.
This is wheat. We use it to make bread and pasta.
Yay! I like bread and pasta, Grandma.
Let's pick mushrooms and vegetables for lunch.
Wow, my basket is filling up fast.
I love harvesting with you. Now let's harvest the cabbages carefully.
Wow, these cabbages are so big.
1, 2, 3. Let's pick the eggplants gently and put them in the basket.
Wow, look at this big purple eggplant.
Dig carefully and take the potatoes out of the soil.
Look, I found a tiny one too.
Pull the carrots slowly and clean off the dirt.
Look, this carrot is so long.
Mine is short but very orange. Let's wash the vegetables and get ready to cook lunch.
Yay! I am so hungry after harvesting. Now we mix the vegetables for our lunch.
Look at Lily's funny drawing.
It's a carrot with a smiley face.
Now let's enjoy the lunch we made together.
The pasta with our vegetables is yummy. Let's wash the dishes and clean up after lunch.
Don't worry, Grandma. I will help too.
Yay! I love being outside in the sun.
Look at the butterflies. They are so colorful. Water the flowers gently so they grow strong and healthy.
Look, I watered the red flowers first.
And I watered the yellow. Let's explore the garden and see what we can find.
Wow! Look at the frog jumping.
Pick the fruits gently so they don't get bruised.
This apple tastes so sweet.
Let's put the fruits carefully in the baskets.
Look, my basket is already full.
Let's sing and dance together to celebrate our harvest.
I love dancing in the sunny garden.
Let's prepare the farm for tomorrow so the plants stay healthy.
Oops, I dropped the watering can.
Don't worry, Luna. I will help you pick it up. Good job today. The garden is ready for tomorrow.
Bye, little flowers and vegetables. See you soon. We had so much fun today. Let's go back to the house. It's almost time to rest. I can't wait to tell Mom about all the fun we had. Thank you, Grandma, for teaching us how to harvest.
Yes,
We learned so much today.
you are welcome, my darlings.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.